Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Medium. This moment, I'd like to continue my project how to develop Flutter live tracking movement. Okay, this is my demo project on the right side. Okay, this is my explanation. We see on the virtual device, these guys, we know where is it now because we saw on the map this guys goes from one point to another point. We see this one, the explanation. The name of this guys is Mr. Medium. The username, this one. And this point, this is the latitude, longitude, this is the date time. Okay. And then this is my current position to watching these guys. Where is these guys goes from one location to another location. And the big question is how to develop this watching live tracking. We have this one. We have uh, live sender, live update. This is actual live tracking, but this one is history. Yeah, same with this one. Live history means we want to watching the uh, last journey or the last action. But this live update, this is the actual live. If someone use this as application, we know who is use this application, where is it now, what is the latitude and longitude, and how long these guys from me. This is the distance. Yeah, because we have so many features like this one. Features this application. We know a location of latitude longitude. We know the location address. We know the location on the Google Map. We know the estimate time to arrival. We know estimate distance to arrival, and also multi-live monitoring, story live tracking, speed between two point, route end to end. So many functions we can develop with this application. Yeah, like this, we have three vehicle. We know where is the vehicle now if we monitor these guys. If these guys on the vehicle use this application sender, live sender, use, and also this one, he uh, make its other login, and then we make a monitor from my application. Where is it now? What is uh, who is that? How long these guys, three guys from my location? How about the speed? And also, where is it now? On street, maybe the location, the real location, on street number and province and so on. Okay, before we continue more detail, let me tell you. But today I want to discuss about this moment about live sender. We have discussed this one, live sender. After that, we discuss about live update, actual position on the current time, and also the others, we discuss about life history. We want to know the history of people who use this application. We know the history because all activity, uh, the live sender will send the latitude longitude to the server. Okay. Now we continue about we close this one first. Okay, we close this. Okay. The exit. Before we explain about the script, I think it's better for us to make a explanation first. Okay, this is the big project about live tracking movement on Google Map. Okay, this is a picture for general information to person. But this picture is nice for developer because we know the workflow from one point to another point. Okay, my project is all this picture. Okay, we show you the general first. This is the live sender. We can setting every, but in my project, we set this one every 5 second. This function will send the coordinate location to two table. One table for T underscore lat long history update. This is for actual live update, and others send the current location every 5 minutes to this table T underscore lat long history insert. This time we save this data for history. We can play the previous action where someone go and others. Okay. On this moment, I would like to discuss about live sender. After that, for next video, live update, and also the live story. Okay, guys. Okay, this is about live sender. This function will send in my project every 5 seconds. Okay, we see on the script. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Trigger data history. Where is it? Live tracking sender. This one. Okay. This one we receive a signal from satellite, and then we know where is the location, what is the latitude, and what is the longitude. Okay, this one. This is we send this data to the server, and this one. This is a function. Yeah, we use package from Flutter, the package allocation. This function receive how to get data coordinate latitude longitude from the GPS satellite. This function receive about the latitude and longitude. Okay, and then we make the latitude and longitude to the virtual device. This one we make this. Okay, we see on this my script. Okay, this one. So first, this is preference. If firstly we must make a login first. Okay, if we run this, okay, while this launching, we take or we receive username and and name from previous page. If we make a login, okay, this is the function initial. And then this is the function to receive the latitude and longitude from the satellite. Okay. And after that, this one, this is a future function. Insert update coordinate location. Okay, after we receive the parameter from the satellite, latitude and longitude, and then we add my login and also my name. And then after that, we send this data to the server. Save this one. Insert update coordinate location. Okay, we can see this one. Where is it? This one. This is, we save the data to the database. One for insert, this one. Okay, if we can see this, insert this one, and one table for update, this one. If insert, every 5 minutes, add one record. But if the update, we just update the data, the record must be same with before. Just change what is the latitude, what is the longitude, and also what time the latitude and longitude received, and also who is the login, and also who is name. This is the fixed username and name, but the change every 5 seconds, latitude, longitude, and date time. Okay, now I show you the first time. Before we use this application, we must log in first. For example, this one. Okay, I want to explain to you. Okay, this one, name preference. Okay, I make a login first. Where is it? Okay, this is my login. 085276203300. And then this is my password. Okay, login. Okay, you can see this one. Welcome, Mr. Medium. This is my username or my phone number. Okay, we receive about the username and also the name. Okay, because we want to know who is the login and also what is whose name. Okay, this one. Okay, next, after that, this is to receive the coordinate location from the satellite. And then this one, name and username. We take from previous page, from this login, we add to this function, and then we send it to the server, like this one. We send this one. This is the script on PHP, on backend script, on front end, this one. Okay, and then this is we make every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, this function will send the latitude and longitude to the server. Up to you. If you want to change this, maybe 10 seconds or 1 minute or what else, yeah, up to you. And then this periodically, every 5 seconds or 10 seconds, send this data latitude longitude to the server. Okay, this is the script. Periodically, about for me, 5 seconds, send run this application and then send it to the backend or to the server. Okay, this is okay, if we click here, Live Sender, this one. Okay, we see this one. Who is the login? Mr. Medium. What is the username? This is the username. Okay, 08 blah blah blah. And then this is we receive data from satellite. But on this case, we just receive this one because we don't have GPS on my computer. But if we change it to my smartphone, and then smartphone, this maybe if we move to other place, we can see this one change every second. Okay, this is the sampling every 5 second. This counter will incremental. Okay. Okay, guys, and then okay, we see the next this one. Okay, okay, this one just only switch, yeah. This one switch, disable or enable. This one. If I the first one first of all is enable. If we want to disable, click this one. And after that, there is no latitude longitude change from satellite we receive and we send to the backend. Okay, if we click here, okay, next incremental again. Okay, this is we make a display on my virtual device. This one, your latitude. This one, your latitude, your longitude, sampling, blah blah blah. This is to make a presentation on my virtual device or my uh, or my we make this information to my smartphone. Okay, guys, this is just a floating point button. If we click this one, where is it go? We can make it to this one. On this moment, we make go to menu list after login. After login, if we click this one, go back to menu after login. Okay, we now if we make this one, if we maybe for next video number 2, but number 3 we want to see the list of life story history on this function. We know who is a I mean who are ever been live on my application. We can see this one, the date, username, and also the name. And this is the amount of sampling. Okay, for example, if we want to see about the This one maybe you can see. Okay, this one, yeah. This is the phone number 0811609196 Okay. The date 29. Okay, we can see this one. We make a list of live history. Click here. Sorry, not this. We must number 4. Watching live history. Yeah, because we want to watching live history. This is the username we want to watching, and this one 29. Okay, this one we want to watching about date 29. This is the same 29, and also this one. Where is it? Oh, this is the time. Maybe we want to what time we went to watching. Maybe 10. Maybe we have 10 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we try this one. Okay, we can see from this time, start time, end time, and this is the username. We have okay, we have 186 sampling. Okay, this one. Okay, go to maps, click here. Okay, moment please. Why too late? Because maybe my computer or my internet speed. Oh, this one, yeah. Not too fast, yeah. Maybe this one we record. Yes, I stay on my home. Okay, maybe we see the others. Yeah. Oh, okay. We must exit this application. Okay, before this one, while this running, I can finish. I want to continue. I mean to continue my explanation. Okay, this is a live sender function to send all data every 5 minutes. And also don't forget make setting API key. This one. Yeah, I put here because this is we must play to Google. Yeah, a Google Android Geo API key. This one. Okay, before we see this one, yeah, I can. This is maybe too small. Yeah, this picture too small. Okay, I make a big picture to you before we explain this one. Okay, no problem. Click here. Okay, this is sampling. Yeah, login. This is menu after login. This is the live sender. Okay, this is live sender number 01. Okay, 02 live tracking, live update, live update. If someone use the live sender, and then we can see if there is people use live sender, and then we can see who is live. Okay, this one. Live sender. Oh, this is a live update, yeah. Before, after this, we use this one. We can see we make we have a one page. I forget to make on the presentation. We see who is the live, and then we choose. We want, if we want to watching these guys go from one point to another point. Okay, this live story I have make a presentation to you. Live story, this one, okay. Click number 4. Put choose who, if we want to monitor someone or some bus. This one, click what do you want. Click the start date, start time, and also start date, end date, start time, and time. Click here. Okay, we can see the count of sampling or amount of sampling. This one. Okay, click here, go to the map. We can see these guys go from one point to another point. Okay, demo project I have show to you once again. Where is it? Okay, if we have ever been login, just click here and then go to the menu. Click here. Maybe we want to make this one. Okay, now today, 31, we want to make 30. Okay, this guys. Okay, we want to make this one. 30. Oh, oh, back. Oh, sorry. We don't. We must. Okay, maybe we make a correction for my project. We must make stepping. If step by step. If some step we don't do, so the project or the script will send up pop-up. Please do the step before. Okay, this is a make we have explained to you. So many function to make explanation about the project. Okay, guys, moment we make a demo again. Okay, we must see this one. You see, yeah, up to you. Maybe because this is just development. Maybe sometime on this date we just stay on my home, but the lat long not change. Yeah, if we use if I go to somewhere by car, and then we switch on my live sender, and then I can see there is the history. Okay, click here. Okay, maybe we can See this one, sorry. Okay, we see again. Okay, we want to use this one. Where is it? Maybe this one, yeah. Oh, what is that? Maybe you can see this 30. This is the number. Okay, that 30. Okay, we see this one. That 30 on the previous previous day. See this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. 30. Then we have now time. Time. Okay. We enter. We see there is sampling here. Oh, no data here. Maybe not in this time. Okay, never mind. Maybe we can change again, but in this time we must stop first before we continue because this is my cyclus. After we use this guys, we use this, we must exit, and then because this is on my computer, and then we must run again, or we run the uh, the file, the APK. Okay. Oh, okay. Start again. Okay, while this running. Okay. Let me tell you, this is my live update next. Yeah, we can continue about live update this one. If someone update, we can see who is the live. We want to see the activity, the person who use this live sender, and then we can see the man who use the live sender from move from one location to another location. Okay, now we try to see again. Moment, please. Okay, maybe we see this moment. Yeah, today, this one. Today we must see uh, what the username. I can see this is okay. This one we have 31. Okay, this one 31, yeah. Let me see today. 31. Okay, click here. See this one? We have sampling. Oh, no sampling in this time. Oh, we have 133. Okay, we see on the map. This is the object we want to make a monitoring. Okay. But if we use the smartphone, maybe more smooth, yeah, because more the oh, this guy is just stay on my home because we put here the my current location. This one you can see this on the station. I don't move from one. Yeah, maybe where is it? The location. Oh, it want to change this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. This one we just stay on the home, my home, but I put my my location here on this station kereta api. Maybe we can see others. Yeah. Oh my God, what time? Maybe I have make a note here. What time I go to another place? Move from my. Oh, we don't see the today. We have, oh, 995. Wait, 95, yeah. This one, we go to another place. Okay, we see this one. We have this one. Yeah, because this project still development, yeah. So sometimes we just stay on my home and then we run the uh, light center, but we don't move from one place to another place. So the lat long is same, yeah, still same. Okay, this one we have a move, yeah. Okay, we choose number 300. Okay, this one. Yeah, we move the today 31. Okay, this one also 31. Okay, the time we go 995. This one 9 5. Yeah, and also you can Add the 9, maybe 10. It's okay. Go. And see this sampling amount. Okay. 109, 192. Okay, go to this one. Okay, Kak Arya, please. Why my internet speed not too fast, yeah, or maybe uh, my computer too old. You can see this one. These guys go from one place to another place. This is watching live story tracking movement. These guys we can see where is it now. And from my where is okay. This is my current location on my home, and distance from me, these guys go only just 4.38 kilometer. Okay, these guys go on Gaperta Street. Okay, this is the time. We can see this one. This is the lat long. This is the username. This is the name the guys. Yeah, maybe we have this one. Where is it? We can see the. We make a zoom. Oh, to make small this. Hello. Make bigger. 19. This is the small. The previous. Okay, now zoom 19. And where is it? Bakti Laundry, Jalan Gaperta. Okay, this guys go. Okay, guys, this is my demo. And if we make a demo project, we use the smartphone. This is very smooth, yeah. Not if we use like this, maybe my while recording, and also we use the what is name Visual Studio Code, and also make download open the Flutter Dart on this same computer, so we see look like slow, yeah. Okay, it's okay if we use the smartphone. This is more smooth. Okay, guys. Okay, now we close here. Exit application. We stop debugging here. Okay, close here. Okay, guys. Before we close this, I show you this is the live sender, live tracking sender. Yeah. Okay, we cannot make a typing one by one this script, because this is not basic. Yeah, just we show you this is my script. Okay, from here. Okay. Okay, this is a live sender. Yeah, live sender. Okay, finish. And also, if you want to know about my pub spec, this is my pub spec. Yeah, this I use the package version, but the Flutter asked me to upgrade because some of this version will yeah to the not up to date. Yeah, maybe if we upgrade this, we must immediately to upgrade. Yeah, because if directly we upgrade, maybe this project not running because some packet will crash or something like that. Okay, if we make this, uh, check the Flutter Doctor. See this one. Okay, we sit or make a scrolling. This one. Where is it? Oh, sorry. PubSpec. Hey, oh my God. Flutter Doctor, not PubSpec. Sorry about that. Flutter Doctor. Okay, guys, this one. Okay, guys, I think this time enough. If you have something today, and if you have a question, please write down on my description. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.